Hi friends, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video let's see how to create a simple view in MS SQL Server. Okay, so before that let's see what is view. A view is a simple virtual table. It is like a virtual table. So with the help of the actual table we can able to create a virtual table. So and let's see what is the advantage of having a view. For example, I have application, so where I will list all the employee in a different screen. Okay, so I have to write the query in the in different pages. And so if you use the view means, so I can simply use the view name in the in the three pages, in the different pages, so there won't be any duplicate queries. And another main thing is, if there is any change in the query, for example there is any logical change in the thing means, so I need to make the same just in all the pages. If I use a view means, so I can just make my changes in the only one place in the view. It will affect in all the place. Okay, so we have many things. Okay, now let's jump into our topic. So let's see how to create a view. First, before creating a view, so make your query ready. For example, so I have a query. So I'm going to select the first name, last name and the ID from the employee table. Check whether the query is running fine. So now my query is running fine. I got two records. Okay, now let's create a syntax, create a view. So for the syntax is create view and a view name. So I use VW as EMP, employee, for employee table, use as keyword. So that's all. So create view, our view name and as keyword. After the as keyword you can use your select statement. One more main thing, so we can have only select query in the view. We cannot able to have insert, update and delete like DML queries in our view. We can have only select queries. Okay, just to ensure that we can have only select queries in our view. Okay, now let's run this. Now our so view is created. So you can see the view in the under the view folder. See, now let's see how to call a view. It's simply like calling a table. Select start from our view name. So I will copy the view, simply paste here. See, this is a simple way of creating a view. Okay, so now let's see. So I want to add an additional column. So there is so another requirement. So I have to include a new column called active. Is active. Okay, now I have added. So you can use the keyword called alter to alter a view. If you want to update any column or remove any column, you can use the alter keyword, alter view, our view name and then the query. Okay, so now let's execute this. Now the view is altered. Now I will run our query. See, now we can see the recent changes. I could see the is active column now also. Okay, so now let's see how to drop a view. It's simply like drop view under view name. Before dropping the view, I will show you that. So when we call a view, we can able to retrieve only the specific column. So there is a way to retrieve only specific column. See, for example, so I will create a common view in a specific page. You should not need to view all the columns in the output. So at the time I can mention only the specific column which I want to show in the UI, like first name and ID. So these are the so two columns which I need to show in the UI. Okay, so if you run this query means, so it will be fine. See, you can see only the first name and the ID, but in the view you have additional column also. Okay, so let's see how to drop a view. So drop view under view name, select the query and run it. Now our view is dropped.